Good afternoon, Nana here, also known as Judy Allen with Zoe and Nana Stamping. So we're doing Celebrating Color. This is our third alternative. And it's simple. We had to dig through the box to find some other extra stuff to make the card we're going to make today, but that's what it's all about. You know, how can we create alternatives from what we have in the kit itself? So with that, let's go down to the hands and let's see what we've got going for today. We're going to be using the masking technique here. And it's simple. This masking technique sounds like it's really difficult, but it's not. But here's our box, and it just was not a lot left in here. So what I've done is we had some of this left here. So what we're going to do is I've already cut this down by 1/4 inch off the top and 1/4 inch off the side. And this was not, this is all this was, and we're going to use this also. And we're going to use our ink. So that piece there was the piece that was actually in the card we made with number 4 when we first made the cards. So I've just actually taken that, and let me make sure I got my phone turned off too. And I took it and we just sized it down 1/4 inch. Now this was one of the card stocks, one of the other cards we made, and we're actually going to cover this up. So by taking 1/4 inch off the top and 1/4 inch off the side, I can easily put this right in here for this nice look right here trimmed out in gold. So that's what we're going to do, and we're going to use a tape here to put this down, and then we're going to do the masking. I'm going to show you what we're going to mask, okay? So let's get this down, get the tape down, and the tape's nice because it's easy to just lay down and you just tear it off. You can use scissors if you want, but you don't have to have scissors because it's just that easy. But you do want to make sure you get all your sides, right? So we're just going to make sure we get all of our sides. And then we're just going to take it off and put it down, right? It's that easy. And we do have, I think, a little bit leftover bling. I didn't see it in there right off the bat, but I'll go and grab it. And if you're out there, please be sure to say hi. Hi, Jennifer. Because next weekend is the last Sunday of the month, and we put people's name in a drawing, and we give away 3 door prizes. So you might be one of those lucky winners. Woo woo. We always like to give away door prizes. Alright, so I'm just taking this off. It's really easy. It's just I don't have cut my fingernails off because I broke some fingernails. But say hello. Let me know what your temperature's like because it's still hot here. We're going to be over 100 degree weather the rest of this month. So that is not norm for us. Alright, so see how that is, and see it shows just a little gold here, but look how nice it trims that out. Alright, so I have this left over here, so I'm going to actually put this here. I'd already decided that, and I'm going to put it up on dimensionals, right? If you looked at I'm going to show you what the original card was like when I get through, so you'll see what it was like versus what we created today. But it's just, you know, it's just going in through the kit and seeing what you have left over. After I make the original, we always make at least one of whatever's in the kit, right? And we make it every one. So if this one had 5 different designs, 5 different cards, so we made 5, which is a little unusual. It's usually like 3 or 4. And then we use what's left over and we make alternatives just to show you how you can create with the kit itself. We also and sometimes include some extra cardstock, matching cardstock, but we didn't have to this time. Alright, I'm actually going to have my little happy come right at the top up there, so it's got a little bit of gold behind it as well as the blue. And this is what we're going to stamp. This one here, I want to say happy for you. I'm going to put this right here and put it on dimensionals. So I don't have exactly the word for. They have on here just for, and I think that's the only one they have. So all I'm going to do here, you've seen me before on whether it's here or Keep It Simple or Step It Up, which I'm also on. You've seen me sit there and actually mask the paper down on itself and so forth and all. But this time I'm not. This time all I'm going to do is I'm going to take a Post-it note. I had a larger one, but I don't have to use the larger. I can use a smaller one. And all that I'm going to do is I'm going to cover up the word just. Okay? So when I go and ink this up, it's going to get on the paper. Alright, so you're going to see this. And I'm just tapping 3 times, but I want to make sure it's good and inked, right? If you're not sure, just flip it over and you should be able to see the word quite clearly. In this case, then, all I'm going to do is take that paper off, and it's dry. And then I'm just going to stamp this right on top. And that is just a different way of masking. And you still get the same results, right? Because all I wanted was the one word for. Then I'm going to put this up here on dimensionals. Then my card will be done. So how quick and simple was that? That was quick and simple. Quick and simple. Let's see this. Hi. Hello, Heidi. We love you too. Keep those hearts coming. We like it. We like it. Indeed we do. I'm going to have to get after Z-Bear because she didn't do this with me, and she could have, right? Alright, we're just going to set this right here. Right? There's a lot of good things going on in people's lives, promotions, new jobs, new homes right now. So happy for you is just quite the appropriate thing. So there is the card we've made today. We did the masking where we taped off the words here. We masked it off with a Post-it note. And we just covered it up, and we did our stamping, and then just took it off and then put it on here. So if you look at the original card that was designed for this, the Happy. So here was the original design for the Happy. Let's see if we can see it finished for you so you can see that. Now we still got to put some bling on, right? However, this gold is plenty of bling, really. So the original card was this one, right? And we made that. We've already given it away. And the purple card was originally this one right here. And it did not have the gold. The gold was used on this here. So all we did is took stuff from the other areas to make this card here. So there you go. A very easy card from all the stuff that we had left over. So I hope you enjoyed that because it was quick and easy. And it's all about showing you to take what you have and what you can do with it, right? So be blessed. Have an amazing week. And we look forward to seeing you next Friday on Teach Me Nana because our box is pretty empty almost, and I don't know what we're going to do next week, but we will do something, right? We always do. So if you enjoy watching, we'd always like that you hope that you would share with Facebook friends or your friends in general. We're here on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and Pinterest. There you go. Be blessed and have a great week. Bye.